Tired of watching your hard-earned money disappear into thin air? Feeling overwhelmed by subscriptions you forgot about and recurring charges you can't seem to track? You're not alone. Many of us struggle to keep our finances in check, and that's where tools like Rocket Money can come in handy. But does Rocket Money truly live up to the hype? Is it an effective tool for budgeting, or just another shiny app that promises more than it delivers? Let's dive in and find out. Introduce Rocket Money and its core functionalities. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that aims to help users save money by identifying and canceling unwanted subscriptions, negotiating better deals with companies, and tracking spending. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Subscription tracking. Rocket Money scans your bank and credit card statements to identify recurring charges, such as streaming services, gym memberships, and software subscriptions. Subscription cancellation. The app allows you to cancel unwanted subscriptions directly within the app with just a few clicks. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money helps you negotiate lower rates on bills like internet, phone, and even insurance. Spending tracking. The app provides insights into your spending habits by categorizing your transactions and creating visual representations of your spending patterns. Credit monitoring. Rocket Money offers basic credit monitoring features, such as alerts for changes to your credit score and reports of potential identity theft. Discuss the pros and cons of using Rocket Money for budgeting. Pros. Subscription discovery. Rocket Money is excellent at uncovering forgotten subscriptions you might not even realize you're paying for. This alone can save you a significant amount of money each month. Simplified cancellation process. Canceling subscriptions can be a tedious and time-consuming process. Rocket Money streamlines this process, making it quick and easy. Bill negotiation potential. While success may vary, Rocket Money's bill negotiation feature can potentially save you money on your monthly bills. Spending awareness. The spending tracking feature provides valuable insights into your spending habits, helping you identify areas where you can cut back. User-friendly interface. The app is generally user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it accessible to users of all tech levels. Cons. Limited bill negotiation success. While Rocket Money can help you negotiate some bills, it's not a guaranteed success for every situation. Accuracy of subscription identification. In some cases, Rocket Money may misidentify recurring charges or fail to identify all of your subscriptions. Reliance on bank connections. Rocket Money relies heavily on connecting to your bank accounts. This raises privacy concerns for some users. Basic budgeting features. While Rocket Money provides some spending tracking features, it's not a full-fledged budgeting app with advanced features like creating budgets, setting financial goals, or tracking net worth. Cost. While there's a free version, the premium version of Rocket Money comes with a monthly subscription fee. To maximize the effectiveness of Rocket Money for budgeting, consider these tips. Review your subscriptions regularly. Use Rocket Money to regularly review your subscriptions and cancel any you no longer need or use. Utilize the bill negotiation feature. Actively use the bill negotiation feature to try and lower your monthly expenses. Combine with a dedicated budgeting app. Consider using Rocket Money in conjunction with a dedicated budgeting app like Mint or Personal Capital to get a more comprehensive view of your finances. Monitor your spending habits. Regularly review your spending data within the app to identify areas where you can cut back. Prioritize privacy. If privacy is a concern, carefully review Rocket Money's privacy policy and consider limiting the data you share with the app. Address common user concerns and questions. Is Rocket Money safe to use? Rocket Money uses industry-standard security measures to protect your financial data. However, it's crucial to always prioritize your online security and be mindful of the information you share with any financial app. Is Rocket Money worth the cost? The free version of Rocket Money offers some basic features, but the premium version unlocks more advanced features. Whether or not it's worth the cost depends on your individual needs and how much you anticipate saving. What are some alternatives to Rocket Money? Some popular alternatives to Rocket Money include Truebill, Trim, and Honey. Each app has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to compare features and pricing before making a decision. Rocket Money can be a valuable tool for identifying and canceling unwanted subscriptions and potentially negotiating lower bills. However, it's not a complete budgeting solution. It's crucial to remember that Rocket Money is just one tool in your financial toolkit. Combining it with other budgeting strategies and tools can help you achieve your financial goals more effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.